I converted this simple voice into animated video in just few clicks with the help of AI tool that you will learn in this video step by step. You have to follow all the each step so you can learn easily. So let's continue to our topic.
For the creating video, you have to come this website animaker.com. I will put the link in description, so easy for you to use. Then after that you have to sign up. Once you sign up already, you can see here the new interface, that horizontal videos, vertical videos, square videos, Instagram, Facebook videos, YouTube videos, LinkedIn videos, TikTok videos, all everything. And on the top you can see the templates. If you want to use the templates, you click the templates and then you can get the multiple templates, more than 1000 plus movements you can get here the templates, and then you can easily use or preview the template before you use. So I'm not going to use any template here. I just want to let you know that how you can create your own character, and then after that we do the step by step all the things. So we click the plus icon, and then here is asking you the square video, vertical or horizontal, because we are going to create the YouTube video. So we click the horizontal video. Now here you can find out the characters. If you can see here, the many characters is here. You can easily choose any character you want. If you don't like the character here, you can create your own character. So I am going to create my own character. I click the create your own character. Then we can easily choose our character. If you want to create for the child, it's depend on your choice what kind of character you want. Here you can easily select. For example, I just select the male and then select the choose. Now here you can see the how you can customize your character, what kind of character you want to customize. For example, I just select this simple character, this one. I selected this one. In the side you can get the customize toolbar. You can easily customize your character anything you want. You can customize his hair, customize his eyes, customize his skin tone, customize his clothes, shirt, pant, shoes, wear him any watch or earrings. Even you use anything you want, you can easily customize using this side toolbar to customize your character. Once you customize already, you can see here on the top save option, and then here you can see the pen icon. You can give any name. For example, I just type here my name and then click save. So this character will saved with my name. And then we have another option if you want to create another character, but I'm not going to create another character, so I just back to project. So we click to back to project. Now you can see here our character is ready. So if we import here, our character is ready here. Now our backgrounds, you can see here the option here given the option the background. If you click the background, you can see here the business, education, travel, nature, all kind of backgrounds are here. It's depend on you what kind of background you want, or you want a big screen, you click the big screen to choose what kind of background you want. So you just select for example, I just select this office background, and then I let the character stand here. Now after selecting the background and character, here you can see the actions, what kind of action you want to give your character. You can see here, you can choose the different actions to talk. If you are creating a story, you can here get the multiple actions for your character. You can see here while phone, using laptop or walking. You can put any walking image, everything you can give any action for this video. Whatever you want, you can easily customize here. Because I do not waste your time, I just show you how you can customize the action of character. And then here you can see also the expression. You can see happy, sad, angry, or confused. Whatever you want to give the expressions, you can select here. Once we select ready expressions and then actions, now you can see here the lip sync. If you want to give lip sync, you have to record your voiceover or text to speech or upload your pre-recorded audio. So I am going to upload my pre-recorded audio, so I select this one and then click the upload, and then I choose this one. Now sneezing our audio, you can see our audio is already here. If we play,
I converted this simple voice into animated video in just few clicks.
okay, like that. So if you want to show here any image or video, you have also option to add any image. For example, we add one image, and then we add here to this character is talking about this image. You can also simply just
I
add
converted this simple voice.
like that. Or if you don't like this animated background, or you want to add any video, you have option also to add any video in your background. You can choose here any video to choose as your background. For example, I just select any video to show you how you can add. For example, I choose this one. You can see this video is running in
I converted this simple voice.
this video is become our background, but I'm not going to use any video, so I just undo this feature. Then once you done your video, you can easily, there are many features here available if you want to use, because I don't want to waste your time. So you have multiple features here. You can choose, try, and then it depend on your video that what kind of features you want to use. Or if you want to add another scene, you can click the plus icon to add your scene. Or here you can replace your scene. All the tools are here. If you done already your video, customize everything, you have option to click the publish, and then directly you can publish in the social media, Facebook, YouTube, or other social media platforms. If you want to directly download video, you click the download video, and then in here you give the video name. For example, I just give any name and then click to download. Now our video is in the queued. So once it done, we have option to download or customize. If you forget anything, you can easily customize also this project. Now as you can see, our video is ready, and then here you can find out the download option, edit option, and then duplicate option, and also sharing option with the social media. So you have to easily click download to download your video. Or if you want to customize, you just click the edit, so you can easily customize your video with the same project. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.